Being a bricks and mortar business, I thought I would dabble in the local ads to make sure that I can get onto maps listings. However, it doesn't have any choice except maximize conversion value, and I need to have enough conversions to make that viable. Are there any other campaigns that list ads in Google Maps? I've just shown you. So, yeah, Performance Max is what all you need. Is one simple campaign, and it's going to go everywhere. Shoot some videos, which I know you have done. You can put up to 5 videos in there, and out of the 5 videos, I would say put three as your service type videos, one video about you, and one for as a customer review or a customer testimonial video. So you got a variety of videos, and let it run, and just keep on running these campaign in a 5 mile or a 10 mile radius, whatever, whichever locations you want to run. Keep on running them. You won't have any stress. You won't be pulling your hair out, and you won't lose any sleep over it because it just works wonderfully well. And then you focus on creating new videos, change them every 3 months. The ones which are not performing, or you check the headlines or the description lines and keep trying to make it a bit better and be more creative with your photography and with your videos, and it's going to build up your brand awareness in your local community at lightning fast speed at the minimal cost.